Sometimes we need to merge multiple dictionaries to get a single dictionary. In Python there are three ways to do that. In this video I will cover all these three different ways to merge the dictionaries by using some examples. Hi all, my name is Ratnakishore. Welcome to the KASHE channel. Let's start the topic now. To explain the concept of merging of dictionaries, I am considering two dictionaries here. The name of the first dictionary is personal info. The name of the second dictionary is official info. The personal info dictionary is having three items in it. You know that each item in the dictionary is a key value pair, and the dictionary official info is having four items in it. The first item in the personal info dictionary is giving the name, and the second item is giving the age, and the third item is giving the location of an employee. In the same way, the first item in the official info dictionary is giving the name, the second item is giving the age of the employee, and the third item is giving the department, and the last item in the official info dictionary is giving the salary information of an employee. Now I am going to give you three different ways of merging these two dictionaries. The first one is merging with dictionary unpacking, and the second one is merging with dictionary union operator. Guys, remember, so this feature is available from Python 3.9 version. And the third one is updating a dictionary with other dictionary without getting a third dictionary. That means in the third category, whatever the original dictionary you have, that will be updated with the merged content. So before going to start the first method, let me display both the dictionaries. See, I got both the dictionaries here. So now I am going to start the merging of dictionaries with unpacking operator. We know that the unpacking of a dictionary can be done by using two asterisks as an operator. Then by using this dictionary unpacking operator, I am merging these two dictionaries with the help of curly braces. Then I am going to display the merged dictionary, that is total info. In the case of merging, the duplication is eliminated. If you observe here, both the dictionaries having the same item, name is a key and ABCD is the value for that item. Then the duplication is eliminated. In the merged dictionary, we got only one entry for that item. Coming to the next item, another duplication is there where the items are having the same key age but the values are different. Whenever such situation is there, the resultant merged dictionary will have the value present in the rightmost dictionary. Here the rightmost dictionary in this merging is official info. Then automatically whatever the value we have for that item, that value will be there in the resultant merged dictionary at that item. See, here we have 36 as the value present for that item which is having the key age in the official info dictionary. Then in the resultant merged dictionary, that is total info, we got the same 36 as the value for that item where the key is age. And the next item is the location with value AP, which is present in personal info dictionary, and the department and the salary are the remaining two items present in the resultant dictionary. Both are present in official info dictionary. So next I am considering the dictionary union operator to merge the dictionaries. Here the union operator is nothing but a pipe character. By using that pipe operator, I am going to merge these two dictionaries to get a merged dictionary, that is total info 1. Then I am going to display the total info 1. Then we got the same result as we got in the previous case. Here also duplications are eliminated. Whenever the duplicates are having the different values, as I mentioned earlier, we will get the value present in the rightmost dictionary in the case of that union. To explain this, I am going to consider another example here. Here I am taking three dictionaries, D1, D2, D3. So each dictionary is having only one item. In all the dictionaries, the key is same, that is A, but the value is different. Then I am using the union operator pipe to merge all these three dictionaries, and then I am displaying that D4 dictionary after merging. Then I got the D4 dictionary with only one item where the key is A, no doubt in it, and the value for that item is 100, where 100 is the value present in the rightmost dictionary in that union operation, that is D3. Then I am using the third way of merging dictionaries. If you observe in the previous two cases, there won't be any change in the original dictionaries after merging. we got a third dictionary which is a merged dictionary. But in the case of the last case, here we are not going to get any new dictionary after merging. Whatever the original dictionary we have, that will get updated, because here we are going to use a method called update associated with the original dictionary to perform the merging. Then I am going to consider some code here, where the original dictionary is the personal info dictionary. I am using the update method associated with the dictionary object personal info, and then I am passing the official info dictionary as input parameter for that update function. Then I am displaying the personal info dictionary after this update. Then we got the same result as in the case of previous examples. So in that way we can use any one of these methods to merge the dictionaries. But if you want to get your original dictionaries as it is after the merging, then go with first two methods. So that's all guys. This is the end of this video. I will meet soon with a new content.